Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. The finalists for the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League will be known on Sunday when the return leg semi-finals are contested at Sabina Park. As you'll hear in this report, Mount Pleasant FA will enter with a slender advantage over Montego Bay United, while Cavalier and Arnett Gardens have it all to play for.
Mount Pleasant FA, who are favourites to lift the title, will be looking to progress to their third straight final. However, they have Montego Bay United standing in their way. The St. James-based team will have to come from behind as they trail 1-0 from Thursday's first leg encounter. Coach of Mobay United, Paul Teagat Davis, has only one objective in mind.
We are going to win, for the win, you know. There's only one thing we can do is win. Go for this win. No excuse, nothing else, because we're behind. And when you're behind, you have to just go all out for this win.
Head coach for Mount Pleasant FA, Theodore Tapper Whitmore, is ready for the second leg.
We have depth in our squad, you know, and it's good when you can go in the hat and come up with a name and you go out there and execute. And that's all we can ask of any player.
That match kicks off at 6 p.m. Meanwhile, in the 9 p.m. matchup, defending champions Cavalier will also be seeking to return to the grand finale, but they will have to contend with Arnett Gardens. After the 1-all scoreline in the first encounter, it's still anybody's game. Leading goal scorer Warner Brown has been very significant for the Junglists, getting to this stage, and is the reason they aren't trailing heading to Sabina Park. Xavier Gilbert, head coach of Arnett Gardens, spoke about how crucial Warner Brown is to the squad, but also noted that the other players are significant as well.
Important, and I mean, the reality is all the players are very important, but we know what he can do, and we thought we overplayed him tonight, to be honest. I don't think we should have pulled him a little bit earlier, to be honest, but circumstances, we decided to keep him a little bit longer, and it paid dividend, He's coming off an injury, and we just have to make sure that we get him properly recovered for Sunday.
Technical director at Cavalier Rudolph Speed says it has been an exhausting season.
As I said before, this is our 96th game in 1 year and 10 months. It's really a lot of games, so I have to still say that the players try their best, and we have to just take solace for that. We didn't lose the game.
The final is set for May 23 at the National Stadium. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.